Okay, I can do this. Just a coffee. Simple.
Good morning, Anna. What can I get for you?
Good morning. I would like a coffee, please.
Certainly. One coffee coming right up. What kind of coffee would you like? Latte, cappuccino, or black coffee?
I remember this. Latte has milk. I would like a latte, please.
What size? Small, medium, or large?
Medium, please.
Hot or iced?
Hot, please.
Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
Your total is $5.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait over there.
Medium latte for Anna.
Thank you so much. Coffee is very good. You can do it too. Just try. Practice English every day. Small steps make big progress.